Only the finest potatoes are selected. No other grains or vegetables enter this processing line.
Rigorous quality checks begin immediately upon arrival to ensure absolute freshness.
The unloading process is gentle to prevent bruising the raw potatoes before processing begins.
From the loading dock, the raw ingredients begin their journey into the heart of the factory.
Inside, the environment is controlled and sterile. Expert staff monitor every transition point.
Initial sorting removes any heavy debris or field stones, isolating the crop for washing. A preliminary wash cycle loosens surface soil, preparing the potatoes for thorough cleaning. Abrasive rollers gently remove the skin while preserving the maximum amount of the potato.
Emerging from the peeler, the potatoes reveal their flawless, golden yellow interior.
Human inspection is critical. Trained eyes spot any imperfections that machines might miss.
Once cleared, the potatoes are accelerated into the high-speed slicing chamber.
Razor-sharp rotary blades spin at thousands of revolutions per minute. In a fraction of a second, a whole potato is transformed into uniform, paper-thin slices. Immediate washing is essential to rinse away excess surface starch.
Air knives strip away moisture. Dry slices ensure a crispier fry and save energy. Precision controls regulate the slice thickness to the millimeter.
The slices now enter the fryer, the most transformative stage of the process. Vegetable oil, kept at a precise temperature, cooks the chips to a perfect crunch.
Submersion paddles ensure every single chip receives equal heat distribution.
Emerging golden brown, the potatoes have now become potato chips.
Vibration helps shed excess oil, keeping the snack light and non-greasy. Advanced optical sorters detect and reject any chips that don't meet the color standard.
Check the seasoning on this batch. Yeah. Looks consistent, very even color.
The chips, still warm, enter the seasoning drum, where flavor is applied. A precise mist of seasoning ensures every ridge and curve is coated with flavor.
Samples are regularly taken to the lab to verify crunch, flavor, and oil content.
Multi-head weighers calculate the exact portion for each bag in milliseconds.
The chips fall into vertical form-fill-seal machines, which create the bags from a roll of film.
Heat sealing locks in freshness, ensuring the chips remain crisp until opened.
Nitrogen flushing protects the chips from crushing and oxidation during transport.
The bags are carefully packed into cartons, ready for distribution to retailers.
Automation takes over for heavy lifting, stacking cartons with geometric precision.
From the production line, the finished product moves to the logistics center.
Inventory is carefully managed to ensure first in, first out freshness.
Orders are dispatched daily, loading the fleet for regional distribution. Fully loaded, the transport leaves the manufacturing facility.
Within hours, the fresh potato chips arrive at retail destinations. At the retailer, staff ensure the product is handled with care right up to the shelf. Fresh stock is rotated constantly, ensuring the best experience for the consumer.
A variety of flavors are displayed, creating an attractive wall of choices.
For the customer, the bright packaging signifies a promise of quality.
Consumers trust the consistency that begins way back in the field. From production line to checkout, the journey takes only a few days.
Careful packing ensures the chips arrive home intact and ready to eat. The final destination is the home, where the snack brings people together.
Finally, the product is ready to be enjoyed.
The seal is broken, releasing the aroma of fresh, salted potatoes.